What I wish I knew about spider monkeys instead of algebra. 5 crazy facts coming right up. Fact 1. Did you know spider monkeys can use their tails like a fifth hand? It's like having their own built-in grappling hook. Fact 2. These monkeys are expert bridge builders. They form living chains to cross gaps in the forest. Move over engineers. Fact 3. Spider monkeys don't have thumbs. Yep, they're all about that four-finger life. Thumbs are so last season. Fact 4. A spider monkey's diet is 90% fruit. Talk about a sweet tooth. They're nature's ultimate fruitarians. Fact 5. Spider monkeys can leap up to 30 feet in a single bound. That's like jumping over a 2-story building. Like these facts? Hit that like button and subscribe for more wild wonders.